Namaste. Here is Sonu, and in this video we're gonna learn the Patanjali Mantra. The prayer, the Patanjali, is very important. If you really love yoga, you must respect two yogis. The first is Lord Shiva and the second is Patanjali. So Shiva is a guru, the guru, and Patanjali is a Maharishi, the great teacher, the great monk. So we respect both of them for our bottom of the heart to understand the yoga knowledge and implement in our life. So here we're gonna work with our two mantras. So first is Patanjali mantra, second is a Guru mantra. So let's begin with the combine these two mantras together, so we'll have better peaceful. So sit comfortable, both palms together, front of the heart center. Think about the Patanjali, think about the Lord Shiva. Inner peace. Take a deep inhale. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vedyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim pranjalim ranatosmi Gurura Brahma Gurura Vishnu Gurura Devo Maheshwara Gurura Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vedyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim pranjalim ranatosmi Gurura Brahma Gurura Vishnu Gurura Devo Maheshwara Gurura Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vedyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim pranjalim ranatosmi Gurura Brahma Gurura Vishnu Gurura Devo Maheshwara Gurura Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Bring your hands to the forehead. Namaste everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and it's very peaceful, and you can continue with the practice of this mantra. You can then you can do the meditation also. It's very interesting and it's very peaceful. So I'm very happy and grateful for the energy that brings this knowledge from me to you. So you can use this knowledge for your life, for your peace of mind, and if you remember this mantra, you can enjoy sing along and pray every day, because when we pray, pray has a power, pray has a very strong energy. So that's why we need to have faith and Ishwa Pranidhan. Okay, so have a good day now everyone. If you love this video, please feel free to give me some comments, so I will be very happy, and share this video with everyone. So yoga is for everyone. Everybody must know yoga. That is good for everyone. Okay, so have a good day. Bye bye.